And how exactly would you describe nomadic haute couture to our listeners?
Some people are shocked when they first look at them. For one thing, I've always felt motivated to experiment with completely different styles and try to make them fit together seamlessly. With nomadic haute couture, I feel like I've discovered a whole new side to fashion that can be used as a storytelling medium as well as a means of self-expression. It's something most fashion designers haven't worked on, so I'm excited to explore the aspect more deeply.
So, what's on the horizon for Ina Belova? Where do you go from here?
To be honest, I'm not totally sure where fashion will lead me.
I look forward to seeing your next collection. I'm certain that it'll be a hit.